Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video we are doing this full glam dramatic liner look. It looks good, I'm not gonna lie, y'all. Yeah, make sure that you guys like, subscribe, hit my notification bell, and let's jump in the video. Okay, so on a clean Morphe M518, I'm going to start with the shade Buffin, and I'm just going to plant that down all over my eyelid as just a starter shade to just have a base. And then on the same brush, I'm going to go in with Bare to Wear and just plant that down as my transition shade. And I'm putting it down in the shape that I want to create for my eye, and I'm starting in small circular motions, and then I will work it over into my eyelid as sort of windshield wiper motions, just making sure that I'm staying above my crease. Now on a Morphe M441, I'm going to go in with Au Naturel, and I'm just going to start planting that down in my crease, kind of blending it in with my transition shade and staying right tight in my outer corner, and then working it up and over just slowly and in small motions. And this I will work all the way over into the inner part of my eye, but still staying in the upper skin, if you will, of the eye, not getting down into my inner corner. Here I'm staying in the same shade, I'm just building up the color and depth. And then on a JS11, I'm going to pick up a little bit of Bare to Wear and Au Naturel both and plant that right below my lower lash line. Moving on to my eyeliner, I like to use the JS14 brush, and I like to work from the inner corner all the way across my eyelid, getting down a baseline, and then I will build up from my outer corner just up into the line shape that I want, as high as I'm going to want it to go. And then from the tip of that, I will just bring it all the way down onto my lid, as you saw. Now I'm just filling it in with a little more color, and after I get it laid down on both sides, what I like to do is just go back in and fling up a little sharp tip. Now with just a liner pencil, I'm going to go right onto my waterline and smudge it on there, and then I will be picking up a flat just liner brush. I like to use the M432, and I'm going to smudge it out really nicely. Then with a JS12 and some Au Naturel, I'm just going to really blend that out on my lower lash line to make sure that the liner and the shadows just blend super nicely. Doesn't give me that harsh line that you see on the other side. And when you're applying false lashes, you just want to make sure that you get your glue nice and tacky, so you want to let it dry down for like probably 20 seconds or so before you put it on your lid. Now with a Morphe M431 and the shade Wink Wink, I'm just going to plant that right on my inner corner and give it a nice little sparkle and just cutesify it up. And for my highlighter, I'm just using the M501 and the Kylie Loose highlight in the shade Fiji. It's just super freaking blinding and beautiful, and I love it. And for my nose and brow bone, I just like to use the same brush that I highlighted my inner corner with, just to make sure that it's nice and tight and doesn't widen up any features. And for my lips, I'm using the KKW liner in Nude O and the Kylie lipstick in the shade Money Mindset. It's just a really cute nude combo, and it's nice on my pale little skin. That's it for my video today, guys. It's a really simple full glam look. It's less time consuming than your average full glam. It's just quick, easy, gets you out the door, gets you where you need to go. It's a nice, fun, bold liner. Yeah. So that's it for this video. Make sure that you like, subscribe, hit my notification bell. Everything else, look at my little burn. Yeah, that's it. Have a great night, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.